long time since we've had the return of the very finished summer for so long, and here she is now, Miss Demeanour.
Right, hello.
Well, a fantastic high-speed arrival there. John Whaley absolutely caning the jet all the way from the Isle of Man to make it back in time for the display here. And pulling up wonderfully that high pass there. And indeed, that fantastic, that unique paint scheme really standing out against the background there of the sky. Miss Demeanour is a Hunter Mark 58 that John himself has restored and owned for some years now, possibly his last season's flying, I think, for John. He was speaking earlier today, so anybody with a bit of loose change down the back of the sofa, I think there might be a Hunter Mark 58 with a rather groovy paint scheme for sale next year. So see up front then, running in now, looking to pick out the Bournemouth seafront there. That wonderful paint scheme of Miss Demeanour.
Take one away with you before you depart.
Sleeker, ever faster. If it looked right, it flew right. First prototype broke the world airspeed record, achieving 727 miles per hour. Hunters were used by two Royal Air Force air display teams, the Black Arrows, who on one occasion flew to a record-breaking 22 examples of formation, and later by the Blue Diamonds, who flew 16. Jonathon himself started flying with the Royal Navy, joining at the age of 17 in 1965. Following his officer training at Bournemouth, he was given flying at Royal Air Force Linton-on-Meuse, #1 FPS, and Dappler on the JP, and then gained his wings and progressed from flying training to his Hawker Hunter flying at RNS Broadie in South Wales. Here, lovely top shot here, beautiful. Years later came up with this remarkable machine, a quite outstanding development of British aviation. It was then replaced by the English Electric Lightning, the Hawker Siddeley Harrier and the McDonnell Douglas Phantom. leave the 3 pair on, budget cuts, carrier cuts, aircraft changes. John decided to join his father's engineering company, and that's where his connection with civilian flying started, flying a number of aircraft. Indeed, his flying career completing a local battalion of 20 aircraft.
There's always a ray of sunshine when Jonathon is flying, not just in the colour scheme, but also in the way he flies it. And very shortly after this next pass, he'll be reconfiguring and hopefully giving you that big Bournemouth wave. He's always got a beaming smile on his face as well, and I'm not surprised flying an aircraft like this.
Personal paint scheme. Now he's slowing down, I think, George, and he's ready to set up for that.
This is the one. He's going to crack it open, even though he's only slowing down to 200 miles an hour. He can't put his hand out of the air because it could well snap his wrist off, but he is going to be waving to you. He's going to be looking out as slow as he can do a clean pass. So it's the last, final bit of audience participation from the Bournemouth Air Festival. Everybody down there, mums, dads, children, whatever you've got, grands, grannies, ice creams, umbrellas, hats, give Jonathon Whaley, Flapjack, Miss Demeanour, the biggest Bournemouth wave you can. From the left now, everybody together, get up, stand up, wave whatever you have.
That's it, ladies and gents. Wonderful, beautiful paint scheme, and a famous Bournemouth wave all the way along the seafront. Come on, ladies and gents, boys and girls.
There we go, Jonathon Whaley.
And the aircraft carrier. Last time to
There's definitely a thing going there. I think he's probably on board cocktails right now. Absolutely. He's having so much fun.
Center of the aviation community. Fantastic boat. Very polished. Space circuit. Particularly flying jets, fast jets.
Final thing from Jonathon is the Zoom climb.
6-7 knots, 0.95 for blue level.
There he goes, up into the wild blue yonder.
Lining up the Navy dots.
better now.